Welcome back, students. Now we will discuss some more doubts asked by you all. 4x minus 19 is less than, I think this is 3x by 5 minus 2 is less than equal to minus 2 by 5 plus x when x belongs to real number. So even if anything is wrongly copied, then the method will be same. So follow the rules which I discussed to solve this question and then solve it yourself. Now first we take two parts only. Taking first two parts, we get 4x minus 19 is less than 3x by 5 minus 2. It implies subtracting 3x by 5 from both sides and adding 19 to both sides. And in between them there is inequality which is less than. So we are subtracting 3x by 5. So we write subtracting 3x by 5. This is compulsory to write the reasons in subjective questions. And if you are solving objective question, there is no need to write anything. So 3x by 5, and we have added 19 to both sides. So we can also say subtracted 19 both sides. So subtracting 3x by 5 minus 19 from both sides. We get LCM 5, 4x 5s are 20x minus 3x is less than 19 minus 2, 17. It implies 17x by 5 is less than 17. Now if you multiply both sides by 5 by 17, in left hand side it will be cancelled out, and in right hand side it will be multiplied by with 17. So we write the reason multiplying 5 by 17 both sides. 17 cancelled out, x is less than 17 is the first inequation. So now we check for the next two parts. So taking second and third part, we get 3x by 5, sorry, minus 2 is less than equal to minus 2 by 5 plus x. It implies 3x by 5 minus x is less than equal to 2 minus 2 by 5, means we have subtracted x and added 2 by 5 to both sides, or we can write subtracting x minus 2 by 5 from both sides. It implies 3x minus 5x upon 5 is less than equal to 5, 10 minus 2, 8. So minus 2x by 5 is less than equal to 2 by 5. It implies x is less than equal to 8 by 5. First we write minus, and we have multiplied both sides by 5 by 2. It implies minus x is less than equal to 5, 5 cancel 4. And if you multiply both sides by minus, you know that inequality will be reversed. So x is greater than or equal to minus 4, which is the second inequality. You know that inequality reverses when sign are changed. You have to write this as the reason. Now combining 1 and 2, combining 1 and 2, what do we get? We get x lies between minus 4 to 17. X lies between minus 4 to 17. So this is the solution set for x. X is such that x lies between minus 4 to 17. X belongs to real number. is the solution set for x. Now we represent it in number line, for which first we draw a number line, mark 0 as the middle term, then 4, 8, 12, 16, you can form the intervals between two by taking 1 centimeter equals to 4 unit, 20, 24, and we will go up to infinity, and this side it will be -4, -8, -12, and so on up to from minus infinity to plus infinity. This is the number line now. It includes -4, so this -4 will be darkened, and there is no 17 in this. So we know that the 18 lies just between 16 and 20, and 17 lies just between 16 and 18. So this number is showing 17. And we will make a hollow circle, means 17 is excluded. Now we will draw another line to make it thick. In dark. Using pencil only, you have to do this. Using only pencil. If you draw it by pen, you will not get the marks. Hope you must have understood. Otherwise, ask in comment box if you have any doubt. Including -4, so this circle is colored. Excluding 17, so this circle is not colored. 17 is left uncolored, as it shows that 17 is excluded. Or you can show all the points in number line also. There is less space, so I have taken 1 centimeter equals to 4 unit. So now we will discuss the next route. Okay, it must be 5, so it will be now easier to solve. It is 5 only. So we can draw number line more clearly. This 17 and 5 by 17, 17 will be cancelled out by mistake. I will written it as 17. So make the number line. So minus infinity to plus infinity. 0 as the centralmost point. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on up to infinity. This side -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. So -4 to 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. -4 included. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 excluded. And draw a thicker line and shade all the points. Means all the points between -4 to 5 will be the answer, excluding 5 only. Draw using pencil only, I have earlier said. Now the next question is from heights and distances. From a boat 300 meters away from a vertical cliff, the angle of elevations of the top and foot of a vertical concrete pillar at the edge of the cliff are 55° 40' and 54° 20' respectively. Figure is also given. Find the height of the pillar correct to the nearest meter. So we will draw the same figure. First we draw a triangle. Now from a boat 300 meters away from a cliff. So if we consider that this B is the boat and it is 300 meters away from the cliff, from the foot of the cliff. Clearly explain the figure also that boat so this boat is 300 meters away from the cliff. Angle of elevation of the top and foot of vertical concrete pillar at the edge of the cliff are. So two pillars are located at the edge of the cliff. So from a boat and the observer is on the boat. So let's assume that observer observes from boat B when angle of elevation of two pillars from a vertical cliff, the angle of elevation of the top and foot of a vertical concrete pillar at the edge of the cliff. So this C is the cliff. Are 55 degrees. So one pillar is located at the top of the cliff. CD is the cliff, we can write. And CD be the cliff. An angle of elevation of the pillar at the top, that is DE is the pillar of top E of pillar D. This pillar is located at the top of the cliff. From about 300 meters away from a vertical cliff, the angle of elevation of the top and foot of a vertical concrete pillar. So E is the top E of the pillar D, and its angle of elevation is observed to be what? 55 degree 40 minutes. And the angle of elevation angle, we write the name of this angle EBC equals to 55 degree 40 minutes, and the angle of elevation of foot D angle of elevation of foot D and of foot D, angle DBC, this angle equals to 54 degree 20 minutes. Find the height of the pillar, means D we have to find. Correct to nearest meter, means we have to neglect the decimal part. So we have written everything. So read once more. From about 300 meters away from vertical cliff, the angle of elevation of the top E of the pillar at the top of the cliff D observed to be angle EBC equals to 55 degree 40 minutes. An angle of elevation of foot D of the pillar is observed to be angle DBC equals to 54 degree 20 minutes. And now we have to find the height of the pillar, that is this height ED. Don't represent it with H, D, X, etc. It is sufficient to write these points B, C, D, E. Now we first take any one of the triangle. There are two right angle triangles. So if you take triangle BCD, so we get in triangle BCD, tan angle CBD equals to, we know that perpendicular DC upon base BC. It implies tan 54 degree 20 minutes equals to DC upon BC. It implies cross multiply it. So DC equals to, in the denominator of this, there is nothing. So DC into 1 equals to BC into 10, 54 degree 20 minutes. Don't start searching the value of 10, 54 degree 20 minutes. We will search all the values together at the end of the question. And we will finally about to give the answer. Okay. Now again take the other triangle. So we write in triangle, the other triangle which is right angle is this triangle ECB. In triangle ECB, we again use tan angle EBC equals to perpendicular EC upon base BC. It implies tan, now angle EBC is equal to 55 degree 40 minutes equals to EC. Don't start breaking this EC into two parts, ED plus DC at the same point. First write it properly, cross multiply to get AC equals to BC into tan 55 degree 40 minutes. And we have to use the value of BC, which is 300 meter, and to find value of ED. So we break this EC as ED plus DC equals to, in place of BC we write 300 into 10, 55 degree 40 minutes. Though we can do one more thing in equation 1 also. DC equals to 310, 54 degree 20 minutes is the equation number 1. In place of this, equation 1 is written in terms of 300. Now ED, we have to find, and value of DC is given 300 into 10, 54 degree 20 minutes equals to 300 into 10, 55 degree 40 minutes. It implies ED equals to, we transfer all of them to the same side, 310, 55 degree 40 minute minus 310, 54 degree 20 minutes. So it implies ED equals to, when we take 300 common, it is 10, 55 degree 40 minute minus 54 degree 20 minute. So now find the values of 10, 55 degree 40 minute and 54 degree 20 minute to get the answer. So first of all, there is a trigonometric table at the end of your book. So look at that and find the value of 10, 55 degree 40 minutes. So in column which shows 55 degree, look at the values of 10, 55 degree. So if you observe the value of 1055 degree, it is 1.4281. But in the same column, if you find it for 36 minutes, what is it? 1.4605. Write it in rough and add the mean difference of 4, which is 36. So it is 1.4641 minus. Now check for 54 degree 20 minutes with the same method. And what do you get? 54 degree 20 minutes. It will be 1.3848. 1.3933. Okay. 1.3933. 23 or 33. So subtract 1.3933. 11 minus 3, 8. 3 minus 3, 0. 16 minus 9, 7, 0. So it is 300 into 0.708 multiply with 300. So it is 2124. So 212.4 meter. And in nearest meter, the answer will be 212 meter. That's it. It's 300 now. Okay. 0 is also there. So this is 21.24. That is 21 meter only.